They are numbers affecting a large amount of Canadians with potentially life-threatening illness. According to the Canadian Cancer Society, about 25% of cancer patients have had their appointments either canceled or postponed over the last couple of years. And advocates fear this could cause further strain on the healthcare system.
That really can take the air out of the room for you when you're told that you have thyroid cancer or any type of cancer.
Sandra Perot was diagnosed with thyroid cancer in 2021. She says even as a healthcare professional herself, navigating the system to receive the care she needed during the pandemic was difficult. Today, she's advocating for the importance of having early access to cancer screening.
The earlier detection, the better outcome and the better quality of life afterward. And actually, the more affordable it is on the healthcare system to get detected early, then you don't have to have the invasive surgeries.
A new survey by the Canadian Cancer Society shows that 1 in 4 Canadian cancer patients had their care appointments canceled or postponed in recent months. And as a result of the pandemic, there have been a multitude of issues directly impacting cancer care.
Key concerns revealed in the survey certainly included canceled or postponed appointments, low confidence in receiving timely care, but also an inability for caregivers to accompany patients during appointments, and the financial burden of cancer. And those were really some key themes we saw throughout the pandemic as well.
February 4th is known as World Cancer Day, a day aimed to prevent millions of deaths each year by raising awareness and education about cancer. Jacob Sharp is a Toronto-based comedian. In 2020, at only 25 years old, he was diagnosed with brain cancer. He is sharing his story in a cancer survivor virtual conference hosted by Young Adult Cancer Canada this week in hopes that young people catch the early signs that something could be wrong.
Really your first time where it's not a parent being like, okay, something's wrong with my child, I'm going to take you to the hospital. You are now your guardian, you're now in charge. So it's easy to justify things and it's easy to go, it's fine. And then that's where you hear stories of someone being like, it actually ended up, for me, I was like, it's actually a brain tumor.
The Canadian Cancer Society is asking people to get involved and advocate for the government to do more to improve access to cancer care by filling out a Get Better card online, which will be sent directly to those in government that can impact change. In the meantime, survivors like Sandra and Jacob say it's incredibly important to advocate for yourself.
If something still doesn't feel right, please go check and go advocate for yourself because, at the end of the day, it could be your life on the line.
Melissa Nakhavoly, City News.